Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to update Safari on Mac. Let's get started. First, click the Apple icon. It's located in the top left corner of your screen. Now, select System Preferences or the system settings on your macOS version. Here, find and click Software Update. And your Mac will now check for available updates. Wait for the system to load updates. And Safari updates are included with the macOS updates. There is no separate update option for Safari through the browser itself. Click Update Now or Upgrade Now. If a new version of macOS is available, select that option to install it. And this will also install the latest version of Safari automatically. And here, wait for the installation to complete and your Mac may restart during the process. Take note that Safari cannot updated manually from its website or App Store. It is always updated along with the Mac OS update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.